Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the super tall, 8 feet tall actually. This super nice kind of like candy cane with Santa and the penguins and the snowman. I think it's super cool for this Christmas season. It is super tall, so since it is really tall, it's not kind of like super stable. It's a little bit flimsy as you can see over here. But the good thing is that this one comes with lots of stakes and ropes, so you can actually use the many straps that comes with it along the design, so you can tie the rope and put the stakes in the ground if you want, so it's going to be a little bit more stable. And since the air is kind of like being vacuuming all the time inside, it's going to be inflated all the time, so it's not that doesn't have an on and off button, so you can actually put it in a timer, and that's pretty much it. Looks super good, I have to say. It is really tall, really big, but gets like inflated in probably like 15 seconds, no more than that. But I do want to show this one at night because it comes with LED lights, so this is gonna be super cute. So big one, candy cane, penguin, snowman, Santa, and the snow base over there with the stakes. Now let's take a closer look at night. So check it out at night. Looks super good. I have to say that with all these LED lights, looks really good, and it's not even super dark right now, so it's gonna look even better at full night. I do like this one, that again it kind of like gets the air all the time, so with the straps you can actually tie it to the ground and make it to be a little bit more stable. But again, this is a super heavy one, so you're probably not gonna need it unless it's a super windy place. But this one, as you can see over here, super big, looks really good as well, and of course it could be a really nice decoration for your Christmas entrance door, your Christmas front yard, the patio, or whatever you want to put it, indoors or outdoors as well. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up, recommended. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.